Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are about to take you on an exciting journey as we explore the remarkable world of Jetking Institute and delve into the state-of-art infrastructure. I'm Meghna. Without further delay, let's get started. For over 33 years, more than 10 lakh students in India and abroad have been turning their dreams into reality. Thanks to the crucial role of this institute, these students have become capable of realizing their dreams and achieving their goals. The institute, with 77 years of legacy that has shown the path of progress with IT education, is Jetking. It's India's #1 digital skills institute with more than 100 plus training centers, 1,500 employees across country, NSDC partners, 5,000 plus recruiters connected. Limca Book of Records marches forward every year with thousands of students towards a golden future. Our adventure begins at the entrance of Jetking Institute, where innovation meets education. The campuses are strategically designed to provide an inspiring environment of learning. When you step into Jetking, we train you in such a way that you leave transformed. We make the future an integral part of our teaching through our unique teaching methodology, that is Smart Lab Plus. This training includes English speaking, personality development, yoga, flipped classroom, mind map, gamification, quiz, practicals and brainstorming. All these aspects make our student confident and fully prepared. Inside, we find the heart of learning, the technology-driven classrooms. We call it as Arjuna Lab and a Drona Lab. Equipped with the latest tools and equipments, Jetking ensures students have hands-on experience from day one. Here in the networking lab, students gain practical skills on real networking equipments, servers, hardware components. Learning goes beyond theory. We focus on 70% practicals because when we send our students for job interviews under the job guarantee program, employers expect them to have practical experience. Jetking stays ahead in the tech game with dedicated virtualization and cloud labs. Students learn to configure and manage virtual environments, preparing them for the cloud-centric future, and that gets them a job in companies like Amazon. In the rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity, Jetking stands as a fortress of knowledge. Their security and ethical hacking labs train students to defend digital threats. But it's not all about technology. Effective communication and soft skills are equally essential. Jetking trains the skills, ensuring students are well-rounded professionals and job-ready, helping them to get placement in national and multinational companies. Jetking goes the extra mile with their Career Development Center. And there you have it, an exclusive look in the world of Jetking Institutes and their unparalleled infrastructure. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to upgrade your skills or a fresh mind ready to dive into an IT universe, Jetking is your launchpad to success. Well, thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to visit our official website for more information. Don't miss out the opportunity to shape your future with Jetking. Like, share and subscribe for more insightful journey. Until next time, I, Meghna, signing off.